dances did you have?
Not a lot, like 7-ish,
Okay.
I think.
Good.
But all my teachers are seeing me on their For You page driving. They all want a shout out.
Do they? You have to do that then.
Yeah, I'll give them a shout out.
Give them a shout out. You got any names?
Yeah, it's just one that wants a shout
Just
out.
one?
Zoe.
Zoe?
Yeah. She said, I'm waiting for a shout out.
What is Zoe?
She's a contemporary teacher.
Zoe, contemporary teacher.
Zoe Chambers. Follow her on TikTok.
On TikTok. Zoe Chambers.
Yeah.
Contemporary teacher.
Exactly.
Does she fall to her knees and roll around a lot?
Yeah, she's actually really good.
She's good at that falling thing.
Yeah, I want to do contemporary, but
What about Anksy face? Has she got a good Anksy face?
I don't know, I've never watched her dance.
Yeah.
I watch her dance.
It's all about the face we do contemporary. Turning left, please. Well, there you go. So that's Zoe taken care of, isn't it?
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, there we go.
And then my friend Jamie.
Your friend Jamie?
Yeah, she's asked for one since I started. Yeah.
Jamie?
It's JAIMEE.
Oh, Jamie.
Jamie.
Okay.
Yeah.
What we got to say for Jamie? Is she a dancer?
Yeah, she's my bestie.
Is she?
Yeah.
Shout out for Jamie.
Shout out for Jamie.
Anyone else?
I think that's it.
Right. We could do shout outs every week, couldn't we? Until you get your driving test booked back.
Can he breathe?
Perhaps that should be a thing. You giving a shout out to random people. Why do a nice video of you on at the moment, uploading dual carriageways.
Yeah, I know, I saw.
YouTube. Oh no, mock test before that we did as well.
Yeah.
Got that going on there. Do you remember the mock test? You did one thing wrong. You slightly clipped the curve coming in.
Yeah.
That's the only thing you did wrong.
Sounds about right.
Now I did say I was going to edit it out, didn't I?
No, don't. No.
I didn't.
Yeah, don't. Oh no, is someone broken now?
No, they've had a prang.
What does that mean?
An accident.
Oh.
They're exchanging details.
Oh god.
So rather expensive. Carl's got his rather expensive car. And there'll be a rather expensive repair as a result of that. Don't know what's happened there. Do you like seeing yourself on video?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like seeing it when everyone's like, Martha, we've seen you on our For You page. Guys.
So you're everybody's best friend they haven't got. You don't notice that in the comments.
Yeah,
everyone wants you to be their friend.
Everyone wants to be my friend. I've never had that before.
That's amazing, isn't it? Well, it's just because, quite frankly, it's because you're just a nice person. And everyone's a nice person does really well.
So I've realised in 1 year time,
1 year time.
I'm going to be graduating from college.
Yes.
It's horrible.
Then what are you going to do? Dance with fat mamas?
No, I'm going to probably go to uni.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
What are you going to do there?
Dance. I'm going to go to a dance.
Okay, that makes sense. Which one?
I don't know. I want to go to Erdogan. I don't know. Wilkes, maybe? Just wherever. I've been on a show quite a few places.
Looks a bit nice.
Get paid on Sunday. Woo.
Ooh, what are you doing with your money?
I'm going to go to London in half term.
What are you going to watch? Book of Mormon?
No, I don't. I don't like the songs. I can't enjoy any of the songs. I think it's because I don't know them. I want to watch The Notebook. It's turned into a musical. It's been all over my TikTok For You page.
Did you see Rebecca's near-death experience yesterday?
No.
Oof.
I was hardly on TikTok yesterday.
No.
I didn't have any chance.
Car pulled literally right out in front of her. Doing 60 mile an hour road, just cut across. And her brakes really suddenly just missed it.
That's good.
I mean, lightning reflexes. What a quality. What a quality instructor.
She's lovely. I saw you, actually, outside my dance school on Saturday.
What's your dance school?
My dance school.
Oh, your dance school? Oh, I'm always hanging around there.
I know, with Rebecca, and I'm going to come out.
Oh, we're
while I was
filming.
teaching, yeah.
You should come out. That'd been brilliant, the film. You just did a cameo and popped in the back of the car. We'll be there Saturday, do more filming.
Will you?
Yeah.
I won't be, I don't have teaching that day.
You know.
No, it's after.
No, we're filming a new project.
Really?
Yeah.
What are these projects you have to film?
Oh, I can't tell you, I have to kill you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's top secret.
Yeah, for driving,
Really?
obviously.
It's for driving,
I just
yes.
asked a stupid question.
No, we are filming a series, a lot of videos. It's going to take about 4 or 5 months to do. So you see a lot of us down Marcus shoes.
I don't really need to indicate.
No, you don't. You need to just keep going. Third gear though. we're doing a series of videos to help people who want to become driving instructors. What lessons look like.
Yeah.
Standards check and stuff like that. And that'll be a subscription service.
Yeah.
So I'm seeing people, I passed my driving test thanks to your driving test. Well, donate me a £5 or something.
Yeah, for your videos.
I've just saved you a frigging fortune.
You should do a...
I don't want to do that. Do a serious thing or subscription.
Yeah, like you can do that on TikTok.
I don't want to do that.
Oh, okay.
I've always done it to help people.
Yeah.
There's a signal left, but there's a spiral left. That's it. Remember, spiral. I've always done it, and it started off on YouTube to help people that can't actually afford driving lessons.
Yeah.
What's my next one? They'll start charging for it and go against my principles.
Yeah. Okay.
Right.
Hey, why not always raining on my driving lessons?
Because you have driving lessons in England.
So annoying.
A bit different.
Do you know how many days till I'm in Cyprus?
How many?
56.
Counting.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
You're going to see Sissies.
Yeah.
Ashley in the hotel.
Ashley and Jessie and Fat Mama.
Jessie and Fat Mamas. You going to have a Fat Mama bit? You going to do a Fat Mama? You going to get yourself
I don't know.
You going to get yourself a dress and jump in there and have a little bit of a go? Oh, come on, you got to, Marv.
Yeah, I'll film it.
Yeah. I thought that'd be fun.
Yeah, that definitely be a good idea. I'm scared.
There we go. A bit crouching, wasn't he?
Yeah.
So all it takes is someone doing that and someone else doing that, then you got yourself a little collision, haven't you?
Yeah, that would stress me out a little bit.
Yeah. Forget about the...
When I pass my test, Sorry.
Show off.
When I pass my test, I'm expecting like montage.
Hold on, it should be easing off there.
Yeah.
No guarantee that they're crossing anyway yet. I'll go back to fourth. 35 miles an hour would be...
Yeah.
Montage.
Oh,
Well, I'm going through it because I've got about 9 videos recorded. Because it takes so long to go through. You stop doing
Sorry,
this!
it's because I've just had a shower and it's wet. It's really like annoying me. Sorry, I know you don't have that problem, but sorry. I can't even breathe.
I'm just going to give a mouth shot now. It's not upset me, Martha.
Sorry.
Very easily offended, of course.
Yeah.
So I do TikTok because I'm so thin-skinned. Someone's questioning whether I should be a driving instructor or not. I was like crying, you see.
Oh.
Call yourself a driving instructor.
Do you get hate a lot?
Oh yeah. Just generally.
Yeah.
Just walking down the street.
People are jealous. That's what I've always been told.
Yes. That is the reason. Third exit right. We have to do these extra lessons and I'll drive tracksuits, won't we?
Yes. Please. Seriously. Third exit right. Oh, I hate these times of road.
Hate. Not hating your life today, but
Because I'm tired.
oh, is it?
Wait till that car goes past.
Good idea. Someone's so young, Martha. So much hate in your life. It's terrible.
Oh, I just...
Yeah, I've got to have filling replaced in a few weeks' time.
Filly?
Filling.
Oh.
Not a filly. That's a
So
horse.
Is it?
Yeah.
Um.
Yeah, a filly's a young female. Actually, what is a filly? Is that the same as a mare? I don't know. I think it's a slightly older foal. I don't know much about horses. Oh, by the way, off you, I need thumbnail photographs.
Okay.
I've got a new thumbnail program.
Caught me on my worst day. I look horrific.
But you got freshly washed hair. What more do you want?
Yeah, to be fair.
Actually, swishing it around like that annoy me. We don't like that one, do we? They've fixed all these potholes, but they left the biggest one.
Yeah. Annoying.
I believe... That's not again. No, don't do that. We always start singing down this hill, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
It's really weird. We start singing here, then we start singing just before the roundabout. Dual carriageway.
Yeah. When it's dark in the cold December, and I thought you could keep me warm. Yeah, that song.
You see the sort of person who'll get their own way, one way or another.
I do.
Yeah.
I make sure.
Do you do it by sulking? angry, you could put a round of drinks on your bottom lip when you're in the sulk.
I really like
Oh, you're in the wrong gear here, Martha. It's really struggling.
Really stuck in a cold December.
So if you get annoyed, what's your sequence of events?
Cry.
Cry first of all. Okay.
Or shout. I get really angry.
Do you get shouty before you start crying?
I get really angry.
Do you?
No, I cry and then I think about what has just made me annoyed. And if it's a person...
Okay. I had a reality programme say, here's Big Brother, everyone starts screaming on the spot. Nothing's happened.
Shut up.
Shut up.
Or like, people who think they're better than other people. God. Horrific. Makes me so angry.
What makes you angry?
Like people who just think they're above everybody else. Like you're not, respectfully. Do you know what I mean? Like, who do you actually think you are?
Totally right.
People who are just... So yeah, I do have a lot of hate in my life, but I think it's made me the person who I am today.
It's made me, it's been bitter and angry. It's made me go. Oh, go. Yeah, that's it. That's us. We'll be the bit leaders on that one.
Yeah, that's my fault then. Right. Yeah, or like at work, when you get like old, rude people.
Dude.
Just shut up! Like, at one point, I know it must have been a really long time ago, but at one point you were my age.
Yeah.
So just be nice and be polite, because it costs nothing. Or people who don't leave a tip winds me up. And I know that's bad to say, but I think I've just absolutely been I have ran back and forth from the kitchen to bring you your stupid steak, and you won't even tip.
Yeah.
Like, I'm sure if they ran back and forth from the kitchen, they'd want a tip.
I'd expect more than the salary, the wage you've been paid. Well, they've moved off for you, haven't they? That's it, off we go then. Nice and swiftly.
So yeah, there are a few things.
There's a few things that annoy you. And that's what starts you crying, then gets you angry. Right, I should get past these cars.
Yeah.
Hang on. Okay, we'll fit between that and that, but now hang on. Think, you can't go on the right, can you?
Yeah, no.
So, well, they need to brake, because you've got a lorry behind you as well. Look, you go the same as your speed.
Yeah.
That's it. I had 2 passes at the same time on the same day this week, on Monday.
Really?
Yeah. I took one person to test at 9:07. One of my other students was going to go in their own car, and by coincidence they were there at the same time, and they both passed.
What's that car doing?
I don't know, hopefully you're going to not hang around at 60 miles an hour in the outside lane, do 70 and overtake it. You know better than to hang around with me in the car.
Yeah.
That was quite nice. Boom boom for our drive.
I prefer driving in my mum's car to your car, because your car's so new. Hers is like, the gears are a bit stiff.
Well, that's better.
Yeah, it feels better.
Oh, what? If I'd known that, I'd just buy an old banger to give me a driving lessons in.
Seriously, I need to buy a car then.
Oh, why waste all this money buying a brand new car? I could have just got an old piece of crap for £500 or so. Gee.
No, just because, you know what I mean, yours is so, like, you could, like, I feel the difference of your car compared to my mum's.
Now remember what happened when you undertook your driving test, what the result was? The result wasn't good, was it?
Please don't remind me of it.
Oh, sorry. Well, that's a good idea too. If you fail for one thing, if you fail for the same thing on the next driving test, that's careless.
Yeah. I want to get an early test again.
Yeah.
Because I feel like they'll take me the Pytchley way. And I like that way.
That's
my way now.
That's your way now, the Pytchley way.
Well, it's just like nice. It's a nice morning drive.
Yeah.
And I feel good about that one.
Right, man.
I was reading that video when we went down that road, and I went to high five you, and I was like, I passed. And you went, well, that ain't failed.
You know you hold the steering wheel, you stupid. Yeah, you can't catch me out. I'm not going to fail my driving test, so you're not holding the steering wheel.
But the thing is, I didn't even have one hand on it.
You
done no hand.
You done a Martha.
Yeah, that is a Martha.
There's literally nothing holding that steering wheel, just driving along, Martha. A little bit early for that gear change, you assumed. What?
It's on the free page, mix and match. For £3.
That's alright, £3 mix and match, you say?
Yes. can get
burger, fries,
a
and a drink.
burger. No, you can get a burger and an apple pie, chicken nuggets and a burger,
Fries.
fries and
Why
fries.
can't I get a drink with it?
Because it's just like you're mixing and matching. I don't know.
I can't mix and match a drink.
No, that's a bit.
I do like the £2.79 for my breakfast roll and a sausage egg McMuffin and a drink.
Yeah, but it doesn't come with a hash brown.
Don't like hash brown.
I do. I always put it in.
Hash brown's for losers.
No, they're not. I like it with a double sausage and egg McMuff, and then put a hash brown in instead of.
I had a breakfast wrap the other day. It was too much.
Yeah, they're so expensive.
Yeah, it's like £5. And all it is, it's just like, here's a load of breakfast food, shove it in a wrap.
I don't like the egg either, so I'd literally just be getting sausage and hash brown and cheese.
Yeah, that'd be a waste of money.
So I don't like bacon either. I don't understand
bacon.
because it's thinner than a McMuffin.
Yeah.
It's a little 40p wrap.
I know.
Like I could
And
get
the
a
stuff, it doesn't suit a wrap.
No.
It doesn't suit a wrap. It's like getting a full English breakfast and shoving it in pastry. You wouldn't do it, would you?
No, you wouldn't. I agree. Massively.